Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki chicken no sandwich. Chicken teriyaki sandwich is delicious already, but I'm adding some Japanese tartar sauce to make it even tastier. The eggy, creamy Japanese tartar sauce will instantly upgrade your chicken teriyaki sandwich. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this sandwich, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. 4 slices of bread, some lettuce and red onion or any vegetable you want to sand. 1 chicken breast, 2 tablespoons each of sake, mirin, soy sauce and sugar. For Japanese tartar sauce, 2 eggs, onion, I'm using 1/4 of this today. Some salt and pepper, optional but dried parsley, and mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. Let's make some boiled egg first. I just need 2 eggs, but I'm doing 10 because I'm having it anyway. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. Pointy side, round side, on this side. This makes it easier to remove the shell later on. Put some water, about halfway up the eggs. Put the lid on and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 8 minutes. Cooked for 8 minutes, so let's release them in cold water to stop cooking. Now, let's mince some onion for the tartar sauce. I'm using 1/4 of this onion. Peel the skin and mince. Two boiled egg in the bowl and mash it. Minced onion, some dried parsley, some salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix it well. And Japanese tartar sauce is ready. Now, let's make chicken teriyaki. Remove the skin. And trim all the fat. And let's cut it into half this way. Some salt and pepper on both sides. And some flour on both sides. I'm sorry I forgot to mention it in the ingredients list, but you have it. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Over medium heat. And let's cook the chicken. Nicely brown, so let's do the other side. The other side is looking good too. So let's add the seasoning. Turn the heat to low. Packet. Mirin. Soy sauce. And sugar. Give it a mix. Heat back to medium and cook for 1 to 2 minutes to cook down the sauce. Okay, chicken teriyaki is done. Now, let's toast the bread. You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, everything is ready, so it's time to assemble. So bread, some lettuce, sliced red onion, chicken teriyaki, tartar sauce, generous amount, and bread, and teriyaki chicken no sandwich. It's ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The creamy tartar sauce is a perfect match with the chicken teriyaki. I love the pungency of the onion in the tartar sauce. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. The sandwich is bread, but it's carbs, so it goes here and it also covers the main. Creamy kabocha soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about apple and cabbage salad for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!